Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that time again. I got what is the sticker? A new Stitch Fix. But honestly, you can't even tell because I have it backwards. Here's the logo. I got a new Stitch Fix, as you can see with the tape. So, I actually had pushed the stitch back because got a lot of stuff going on. But the 5 things, sorry, I have like stuff on both sides of me. 5 things that I got this time I'm actually excited about because I read the little paper beforehand that has your little note from whoever styled you and what they put in there. So the 5 things I have here are this Liverpool skinny, this like, what is it called? The sequined blouse. The duster cardigan, which I'm excited to try on. It's this in the middle. Oh, sorry. And that's the sequined blouse. Those are the Liverpool skinnies. And then the scoop neck blouse, which I don't really know about. I don't know. We'll see what happens when I try it on. And then this crossback pullover sweater right here. So I'm excited to try these on. They look cute. Like I said, I don't know too much on that scoop neck blouse, but we shall see. Alright, so here's the scoop neck blouse. It seems like not cropped, but not. It's probably normal length. I don't know. We'll see when I try it on. But I think this is normal length, and then the sleeves kind of, what is this? Have like elastic around it. It's like a 3/4 sleeve. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's not like a full sleeve. I mean, it looks cuter in person than on the like little picture. So we'll try that on. Next is the sequin top. Oh, and the size for the scoop neck it's probably a small. Most of the stuff I get is small. Yeah, so it's a small. The sequin is also a small. So the sequined blouse has kind of like a V-neck in the, let me move the tag out the way. Kind of like a V-neck in the front, and it has this like interesting sequin-y design on it. Sleeveless and gray, and we'll see how that fits with my boobs. This, I believe, is the duster cardigan, which is also a small. This is in light gray. This is cute. You probably can't really tell from here, but like it has like the loose, the loose neck, and then has a. I don't know if it's a full sleeve or I think it's a full sleeve. It's kind of like this sparkly gray. I don't know if you could tell, but let's see if like the lights will catch. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like this gray and white thread with like, I don't know if it's like silvery thread included. I don't know. There's like, it's kind of like sparkly a little bit. So that's this. And it has pockets on it, which is nice. Next thing, there is this purple crossback pullover in light purple, size small. So this is the sweater. This is the back design. And then it's like a kind of like a V-neck. Does it split on the side? No, it does not split on the side. So, and then just long sleeve. So we'll try that. This looks like it's a semi-long sweater, just slightly longer than like a normal shirt. And then these are the pants. Oh, okay, so these are kind of like, these are Liverpool pants that are stretchy material. And I have a gray set of pants like this. So these are just black. And they're like stretchy, kind of like leggings that are just skinnies. Yeah, these, which is actually perfect because I always need black pants and I can never really find them. Hopefully they're long enough because I have really long legs. So hopefully they're long enough to actually hit past above my ankle. Usually they're like, right now I'm wearing just like leggings, but like these these leggings are like right at my ankle. Sometimes pants that are skinnies end up being like cutoff length, which is like here, versus like full-on skinny jeans, which should hit like right here. And then leggings usually end up hitting like right above the ankle. So we shall see how that looks when I try them on. Okay, so thoughts after I've just tried everything on. Yes, I'm still wearing the purple sweater. So this this scoop neck blouse, cute, not cute enough for me, and it's kind of tight around my chest because I have big boobs and there's just not enough room to breathe. So this blouse, cute, a little tight, and I don't know, I just felt like it was an awkward length at my waist that I just didn't really care for, so I don't think I'm gonna keep this. This blouse with this sequin blouse, I'm gonna have to think on it. I may keep it, but I don't know. I'll have to think on it. Again, boob issue. So, I mean, some tops I kind of just like deal with it. So, I don't know. I may keep this. This duster cardigan, cute. I feel like maybe if I had a medium, because this is a small, I feel like maybe if I had a medium, it would fit a little better. Yeah. I like to get my cardigans usually in like a medium or a large, just because I like having extra room to breathe and so that they're not super tight. And also with the shiny thread or whatever that's knitted into this, I feel like with whatever type of thread that's knitted into this material, kind of makes it scratchy. So like I kind of want to keep it and just wash it and see if it gets softer after being washed, or if I'll just have to wear long sleeves under it and just not deal with the like itchiness, I guess, because I don't want to wear a sweater or cardigan that makes me itchy. So yeah, I'm thinking on this one too. Like I thought this would be super cute, but I don't know. I just feel like I need a medium to just have, because like I felt like the arms were really tight and like around the like your back area that like spans from like your shoulders. I don't know what that you would call that, but like I just felt like that seam, not seam, but like that the length of that could have just been a little wider. So again, that's probably related to getting a medium instead of having a small. I don't know. I might just keep it, wash it, see if it'll soften up a little bit and can be stretched some. And then this purple sweater I do like. I mean, I like the sweater. It's purple, my favorite color. It's cute. It's not like that uncomfortable. Again, I feel like if I wash it, it'll get softer. It's cute. I'll keep it. Black pants fit great. If you didn't notice when I was trying them on, they definitely hit my ankle, below my ankle, especially the right leg, because my left leg is slightly longer than the right leg. I don't know, my like left hip is slightly higher, so usually pant legs, the right leg is always slightly longer. Probably didn't need to know all that about me, but the more you know. Yeah, so the pants, definitely keeping. Like them. They're actually a little more comfortable than the gray ones I have of these that they sent in last year's, I believe, Stitch Fix. The other ones that I have, they're the same size, size 4 or 27. All the pants that they send say either 4 or 4/27, so it's interchangeable. Yeah, these ones are actually like a little bit longer. The ones that I have that are gray that they sent me hit like ankle, like just above the ankle, whereas these actually hit like right below. I can actually, since my right leg is just a little bit shorter and lower, it bunches up just a little bit at the ankle, whereas like the left leg goes straight down. Mind you, because I'm tall and have long legs, that like rarely ever happens that my pants can bunch at the ankle. It's usually like they're hitting right at the ankle or above the ankle. Never, like rarely ever do they bunch at the ankles. So yeah, that's something to take into consideration when making pants. People, there are tall people out there, please make your pants longer. If like, you know, like have a different arrangement of sizes. Like you have your small, like short people, you have your regular size, like average type people, and you have tall people. So, you know, make your pants that are supposedly long longer, because you know it ain't cutting it right now. But yeah, so that's my overall thoughts on my stitch fix this month. That pretty much concludes my thoughts on this video and this video in general. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down at the bottom and click the bell so that you know when I upload next. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.